Hi guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone is doing good. If you'd like to see how I made this big beautiful bow, just keep watching. They're easy to make. You will need 2 rolls of ribbon that's 2.5-inch width and 1 roll of 1.5-inch width ribbon. All 3 need to have wire. First, you're going to want to let out a tail, probably 8 to 12 inches. Then you're going to make a loop, pinch it tightly in your left hand. Go to the other side, make another loop the same size as your first loop. Go back to the first side, make another loop. Try to check to make sure they're the same size. Then go back to the other side, make another loop. Keep it pinched tightly in your left hand. Okay, let out a tail. We're going to add 2 more colors of ribbon. So cut the tail. Next color, we're going right on top of the first color. This is 2.5-inch width ribbon also. Let out a tail. Now we're just stacking our bows. So make a loop, pinch it tightly in your left hand. Go the other side, make another loop. Just keep holding. Go back to the first side, make another loop. Check to make sure your loops are the same size each time. Back to the other side, make another loop. Okay, let out a tail. Then we're going to be using our 1.5-inch width ribbon with wire on the very top. So place it on top of the other 2 colors, let out a tail first, pinch it tightly in your left hand, make a loop. Try to make your loops the same size each time. So we're doing a double bow each time with each color. Once you have the bow the size you want, then let out a tail. Now you're going to want to take some floral wire and wrap it nice and tight around the center of your bow, and this is 20 gauge floral wire. And then we're going to dovetail the ends, fold your ribbon in half with the edges to the left side, go to the folded side, and you're going to cut away from the fold, and that makes the pretty V on the ends. It just kind of dresses up your bow. And then you're going to want to fluff the loops of your bow. Once you have your loops fluffed, then you're ready to add your beautiful bow onto whatever craft project you're working on. I like to add big bows to my wreaths, and at the end you'll see a picture of the little bunny wreath that I added this bow to. And if you would like to see that tutorial, I'll link it in the description box for you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment, share this video, and I am also on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok at Keeping It Simple Crafts. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Thank you.